Hello. Pause for a moment and let yourself drop out of your thoughts and into your body. You are here because your system is calling for a recalibration, a return to your natural sovereign state. Settle into your seat or lying position. Let your shoulders soften and release any grip you have on your day. We are creating a bridge between your physical form and your higher energetic potential. Release the need to understand or analyze. Your only task is to listen and receive. This transmission is tailored to dissolve resistance and restore the flow of your internal divine intelligence. Take a slow, deep breath, expanding your chest. And exhale fully, letting it all go. I am here as your conduit. Simply listen and begin. Ereka tatasho karanasho kereka oreta tara. Ereta tara kosha kerenaka koranaka. Ereta tora tasho. Karatasho rota terata. Ereta tara kora kareka. Karareka ora tatasho karanesho kerataka osha maratera keratera toka tere toka ereto toka tosha kerenaka kera eretatara tera tosha eretosha karatosha matara kereta tatara karatara oreka kosha karaneka etoka Karateka toka, keroka, eroka, tashoka, karaneka. Karaneka tora kera, karatera tosha, ereto tora, karatosha. Karatosha ishoka matara. Ishoka matara karaneka oratara. Karatara oratara, shoka ereta. Ereta tora karaneka orata. Karatora oshokora. Kesho, keritaka, oreka, tatara, ishoka mato karatesho, oreta tora karaneka, ereka toka, karatoka tosha, ereto tora taka, karataka, oreka tora tesha, etesha, karatesha me, ereto tora tesha, ereto, Kararetu toka, eroka, kashoka, matara. Karamatara, ereka, karatesho. Karatesho, oreta, tora, karaneka. Karaneka, oreta, kasho. Etosha, karatesho, oreka, tosha. Ereta, tora, karaneka, ereta, ta, matasho, eretoka. Karatoka reko, eretu tara karaka. Karaka tora tatera oreta tora tashanoka kerato. Keratora ta, ereta tara to kato. Ereta tara katoka keroka matasho, ereta tasho. Karatasho rota teka. Ereta toka kesho, ereto. Karatora ereka kosha maratasho tatera, kareka tota erete, ereta to, karatesho tora, ereta tora teka, karateka masho, orata tera karata, ereta toka karatara neka, ereto shaka kera no, ereto shaka kera no, ereka ko. Ereka ko karato osha deraka kora matara, ereto ta kareko, ereko koko karasho, karatesho oka ke, ereta tora daka, karataka masho, eretasho karatosha, Ereka ko, ereta to, kareto to, erete taka ma, Ereta takamaka shoka karaneka ke. Ereta takamasho. Ereta. Karareta tosha. Karareta tosha. Orota tara. Orota tara kareka metaka. Karareka oreka. Oreka takara. Kashoka ke. Eshoka karatora karateshu. Eratara dosha. Eshoka ereta. Karareka masho, karanasho, ereto taka, karataka o, oreto tora, karateko ko, ereto tora, karateko ko, erisheka ma, ereta ko karasho, karatesho, oroto to kareka, erata tara mareta to. Eratatara mareta toka dosha ke, eroka ke orata dosha, karatesho oreka matatara, karatara ishoka kerana. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, bringing your presence back to your surroundings. Feel the stability you have cultivated within your own field. Take a moment to simply breathe into this new, clearer space. The energy has shifted, and your body is now vibrating at this new, higher frequency. Honor the stillness. Keep this center point accessible. No matter what the day brings, you remain the sovereign architect of your own energetic state. Thank you for being part of this collective frequency. If you are ready for a personalized deep dive activation, please visit JeanetteGibson.com or email me directly for a session. Stay in your light.